Inside the boat at all times. Hold on to those small children. All right, guys, do me a favor. Take your favorite hand. Wave goodbye to all the beautiful people there on that dock. All right, let's be fair. Let's wait till the ugly ones too now. Yeah, especially the skippers. They know who they are. Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Dave, and for the next 3 weeks, I'll be your skipper, your guide, your guidance counselor, your marriage counselor if required, your dance instructor, your golf instructor, and if you don't laugh at the jokes, perhaps your swimming instructor also. Welcome to the Amazon, friends, where it rains every single day, but I want you to check out the beautiful Amazon butterflies on both sides of the boat. They measure 12 inches up to a whopping 1 foot, which makes them, of course, the rulers of the jungle. Well, they're the monarchs, after all. Hey, speaking of rain, so we might have missed it for the moment. Coming up on your left-hand side, beautiful Inspiration Falls. We call it that because it inspires normal people like you to go deep into the jungle. I want you all to look. I want you all to say, ooh. I want you all to say, ah. I want you all to say, Skipper Dave, you're doing a great job. Skipper Dave, you're doing a great job. We call that fishing for a compliment. Thank you for your cooperation. And welcome to the Congo River, friends. Let's see how far we can go. Okay, guys, I'm going to share a secret with you. I'm going to show you where I got the inspiration for that classic Disney movie. There it is to the left. That is the Jungle Book right there, friends. And straight ahead, boats, baits, and bites, the places skippers like to hang out. We also do rentals there. For example, if you like to rent one of those canoes, you can get your paddles in standard or deluxe, because after all, it is either or. And around the corners are 24-foot long python snake. Very likable, but do not get into a relationship with them. They can be very constricting, very smothering. In fact, they may develop a very big crush on you. Uh-oh, what's going on over here, friends, at the surveyor camp? Something going on over here. Oh, I figured it out. The gorillas have taken over. That's all right, though. They did us a big favor. They did get that sheep to turn over for us. I am willing to bet they use their hooky wrenches to make that happen. And welcome to the world's longest river, friends. This river goes on for miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, you must be in. That's a good answer, but you're in the boat. It's a good answer, though. Here's an African bull elephant. That is the second most feared animal in the jungle. Of all the animals that we have, that is the second most feared. In fact, listen up. They'll probably brag about it. And now you're asking yourself, that's the second most feared. Where is the most feared? Right over here, friends. Yeah, that one is the mother-in-law. And straight ahead, world-famous sandstone formation. Unfortunately, many people take this for granted. I believe it's one of our boulder attractions, but that's just my second. All right, guys, welcome to the African veldt. I'm going to point out all of the animals. Ready? Here we go. That's all the animals right there. In fact, look way in the back, you're going to find some old-fashioned horses. Yep, they're still in black and white. And over here, we had a beautiful lion checking our zebra friend. I don't know, guys, our zebra friend, look, he may be dead. Tired, that is, guys. We're going to let him rest. Yeah, in peace. All right, friends, let's check out what's going on around the corner here. And, oh, boy. Yeah, you know what, guys? That's Skipper Felix starting about the human totem pole. This is Skipper Felix's first day. We think it's going to be his last day. We told Skipper Felix, always keep your crew in the boat. Never let them outside the boat. I think he finally got the point. Yeah, in the end. Hey, guys, we got a bunch of Enas over here. I want you to help me say hi. Hi, Enas. Nicely done, friends. Nicely done. Quick check, do we all have our shoes on today? I can see shoes over here. I see shoes over here, and you're probably going, why is this guy asking us about our shoes? Well, we came out here earlier today, and guess what we found? Yeah, we found a pair of Crocs over here. That would be Smiley and Ginger, but you have to be careful with Ginger because Ginger snaps. Yeah, she's one tough cookie. They're pretty crumbly. Joe, be looking for all we can. Straight ahead, beautiful Schweitzer Falls, actually named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Albert Falls. So the story goes, there's 30,000 gallons of water over an each hour. Yeah, I have a pretty hard time trying to swallow that one. People keep asking, Skipper Dave, how'd you land your job at the Jungle Cruise? Very plain to see. I took a crash course with Hathaway Brown. Ever since that time, my career hasn't taken off. Always I'm having to wing it, but that is the tail end of that story. All right, everybody, buckle yourselves in. This is the dangerous part of the tour. This is the hippo pool. You're going to see hippos on both sides of the boat. And if anybody brought some marbles with it, because I lost mine a long time ago, we can play a good game of Hungry Hippo. Uh-oh, those are the hippos are going to try and charge the boat on both sides. But that's okay, because at the Jungle Cruise, yeah, we only accept cash. So I want you to all be reassured, Jungle Cruise, we don't monkey around. No, we don't monkey around at all. As a matter of fact, these are all chimpanzees over here. Problem is they've gone bananas. Not finding that very appealing. Think we better split. Here comes the banana joke 3. And on your left-hand side, friends, say hi to my favorite gorilla in the jungle. That is Annette up there. Say hi to Annette. Yeah, she's quite the catch. Also, check out those beautiful butterflies. They just aren't what they used to be. Yeah, they all used to be caterpillars. All right, everybody, straight ahead is one of the highlights of the tour. So get out the cameras and get out the phones. You are about to experience what we like to call the 8th wonder of the world. It's the backside of the water. Everybody join me. O2H. O2H. Oh, do it. That's the chemistry joke we like to tell. Yep, periodically. And welcome to the Mekong River. Further straight ahead, you'll see a Cambodian shrine. River has made by a bunch of Cambodian Shriners. I also want to point out the statue of Shirley, which means, of course, rendering Shirley's temple. All right, guys, I got to be honest with you. This is where I get scared. I get a little nervous. I'm sitting out here and close my eyes. I need you guys to keep your eyes open, especially you right here. Keep those eyes open for me, all right? Let's see if we can make it through this temple together. Keep asking why it's so wrinkled out here. It's because we have no irons out here in the jungle. And while I consider all of these elements to be my friends, including everybody who yells at me every time I come around, I do have a favorite. It's just the one over here, friends. You can check them out. Yep, plenty of that over here. Uh-oh, what's going on straight ahead? No. We're not just afraid to go put that down. Well, you know what? You're past me now. It's pretty warm. Come up here and give these guys a shower. Ready? Watch out. Here it comes. Major footage. Oh, see, come over here, guys. No. Put it down nice and slow in the water, and there you go. You know, people always asking me, Skipper Dave, is that water coming out of those trunks? Nah, it's not. All right, everybody, believe it or not, our 3-week tour is starting to wind down already. Yep, feels like it's only been about 10 or 12 minutes. And the sad news is we'll be taking you all back to civilization here very, very shortly. Perhaps the most dangerous part of our journey. But what would have stopped at any Disney attraction be to stop at the gift shop at the very end? Coming up on the left-hand side, here's our version of a gift shop. Trader Sam's lost and found a gift shop. So besides lost items, hey, check out some of Sam's helpers today. We got a small monkey spinning a platter back there. Got a couple of small monkeys having a boxing match of some sort. I hope they can keep that brief. Appreciate the fact they put their hearts into that. Got a small elephant here, guys, and we don't do photo pass out here, friends. We do monkey pass. Make sure you smile for our monkey friend right there. He's actually a very, very helpful monkey. He does this for free. He's just looking for a little exposure, trying to develop his career. Sometimes he comes across as just a little too negative. All right, everybody, we're getting very close back to home base, so please remain seated. Keep those arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the boat at all times, and continue to hold on to those small children. You've all been an outstanding crew today. On behalf of myself and all of us here at the Jungle Cruise, we do appreciate that very, very